Macie Scharlau, and I'm a student support specialist at Red Mill Elementary School. I expected to learn just how an everyday classroom would be, just to see the good, the bad, everything, not just what people say about it. I just wanted to experience it for myself. Everybody's welcoming and everybody makes you feel at home. And I felt like that as a kid, and when I came back here, I felt the exact same way. I come in during math time, so I just talk with the kids and try and help them out around the classroom. And then I do cap duty, recess duty. I have reading groups in the afternoon, and I pull students out in the hallway. We work on certain vowel teams and words. Teaching has changed so much since I was a kid. There's so much technology involved, and there's so much more opportunity for the students to get help with things. And I think that's just amazing.
Hi, I'm Alyssa Tafani, and I'm a second grade teacher at Red Mill Elementary. She has had an opportunity to work one-on-one with a lot of students that need a little extra support. I tell her all the time, I don't know what I would be doing without her. I think every class needs an extra set of hands all the time. It's always a benefit. And she's been doing a great job. So it has really helped me manage my workload a little bit better. Especially in elementary school, the workload can get a little overwhelming with the different things we have going on. And she has really helped me manage that by taking some groups and helping grow some kids that I might not be able to see every single day. So it's been a huge advantage for the kids and myself. Not only is she meeting with students that are from my classroom, my homeroom, but she can meet with kids across the entire grade level. And students that we might not be able to work with every single day that maybe don't need as much support as others, we can now let Ms. Scharlau work with them. I think this experience for Macie has been such an eye-opener for her in such a positive way. I think a lot of times when students enter the education field, they don't realize all of the background work that happens before school, sometimes after school, during a prep period. And that can get really overwhelming, especially for a first-year teacher. And so what this program is doing is now allowing those students to see the behind the scenes right away, so that when they make the choice to enter this field, they know exactly what the workload is like. They've had experiencing managing it and balancing, a home life and a work life. She's getting just that hands-on experience, whereas sometimes the first-year teachers just get really overwhelmed, and now she's able to see it before she ever reaches that point and can make an informed decision.
I plan on going to college and majoring in elementary education.